Number 13 describes this scenario where two six-sided die are being rolled and the product of the two faces is being taken. So that's the price that the patron would pay, but it's usually a $13 buffet. So it just wants to know first, find the probability that the person will pay less than the usual cost of the buffet. So again, the buffet costs $13. So the outcomes I see that are less than 13 are all of these. So these are the times where if the patron rolls those two die and gets these results, they get a better deal than the original buffet. So I just need to know, of the 36 outcomes in that chart, how many of them are cheaper than $13? So I could just count, let's see, 6, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 of them. But then if 4 friends come in, I want to find the probability that all 4 of them pay less than the usual cost. Now, this is not, they roll a die and suddenly that's no longer an option. That's not the case. These are die. They don't remove faces whenever it's rolled. Like each time it's independent is what I'm trying to say. So this would be for all 4, it's the probability that it happens to the first and it happens to the second. And so I'm going to make a multiplication rule out of these, because it's going to happen 4 times and they are independent, which means I'm going to take that probability from part A to the 4th power. And I get, as a decimal, 0.167-ish. But then if I want at least one person to pay more, so at least one person out of 4 pays more than the buffet cost of 13, that can be thought of as a complementary event. So how do I want to write this up? At least one pays more. So either nobody pays more, one person pays more, 2 people, whatever. Up to 4, all 4 of the friends pay more than the cost of buffet. I want at least one person pays more. This is everybody except nobody pays more. So this is the complement of all 4 pay less than the buffet, which means this is the complement of what we just found. Because this one was they paid less than the buffet, all 4 friends. I don't want that. I want at least one person had to pay more. So the complement of our 23 out of 36 to the 4th power is about 0.83.